gang, so I just went and got an OEM oil pressure sensor, and this is the one that was in the car. This is the new one. I don't know why this aftermarket one's so bigger than this one, bro. I don't know. What good, gang? Man, I'm back again with another video, man. Look, man, a lot of y'all have seen, bro, car is posted on Facebook Marketplace. I don't know, man. It's gonna be a tough one, it's gonna be a hard one, but I normally don't keep cars for that long, bro. And I honestly just want something new. Cause it's like I done everything that I wanted to this bit. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, it ain't like it got old or nothing, bro. It's just time for something new, bro. I want something different. I got my eyes on something else, I ain't even gonna lie. But I just want everybody to know that we're gonna come harder if somebody buy it. If somebody don't buy it, then she's staying. You know what I'm saying? She can't go nowhere. But I'm giving people an opportunity. I put a price on it, and I am negotiating, you feel me? So I just put a price where we can start and go from there. You know what I'm saying? So the car is basically a good car, bro. Y'all know, man. Y'all already know what's going on with Black Beast, bro. It's just whoever get it, man, they gonna have to figure that shit out. That's it. But other than that, bro, that's a good ass car, bro. You know what I'm saying? I really didn't have the fun to just throw that bit in the shop right now. That's what I need to do. Throw it to the shop. Everybody keeps saying, throw it to the shop, throw it to the shop. But y'all don't realize, bro, I ain't got no money like y'all think I got money, bro. That one doing the YouTube shit, hoping this shit come through, man. You know what I'm saying? Then we just live all this shit, bro. That's all the nigga really want for real, man. So that's why I've been grinding the way I do. But I don't be trying to put out no BS content. I could drop videos all day, every day, bro, and don't give a fuck what the numbers do. That's what really I'm finna start doing, man. Cause that's how you grow an algorithm, man. Doing different things, man. And you just gotta stay in that lane and just keep doing it. You feel me? A lot of folks don't know about YouTube, bro. Like, say if I start POV videos, if I just do POV videos, I'm just gonna build an algorithm from POV videos. So it just take time, bro. Cause like, I grew my channel off POVs, you know what I'm saying? And that's how I got up the way I did, bro. Just driving Black Beast like she was nothing. I was driving that bit like I stole it, bro. If you go back and look at my POVs, man, I might do a little playlist, man, and just try to put all of them together, but it's a lot of videos, bro. But y'all gotta go back and watch my POVs of Black Beast, man, and see how far she done came. She done came far, bro. I kid you not, man. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just out here, I'm talking about it, but I'm sitting here looking at her too at the same time. Like, I'm giving folk the opportunity, bro. Like, if you want her, bro, just come get her, man. That's all I'm telling you, bro. Like, she on Facebook Marketplace. Like I said, we can negotiate, bro, and go from there, bro. You know what I'm saying? I let her go, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't let her go for just nothing, you feel me? There was a lot of folks be thinking, like, I'm just gonna get, like, give her away. Head, nah, bro. You know what I'm saying? Head, nah. And this goddamn, only a little bit left to pay on that bit. So I'm gonna be walking away with like some money if I get what I want. You feel me? So it's just like, I wanna cop something else, bro. Like, I just know what I'm gonna get, bro. Like, and I'm gonna kill the game. It's 2 cars I know I can get right now and just kill the game. Cause it's like, it ain't no content on them. Like, I done put everybody focus on the SRT8s. So I feel like I'm not moving the way I should. But if I get a different car and do content on that car, bro, and just put everybody else on that car, bro, that shit gonna be crazy, bro. I'm letting y'all know, bro, like, I just like to build cars, bro. Like, that's the only reason why I started my YouTube. I should have been did this when I first had a Crown Vic, bro. I put Mustang wheels on my Crown Vic, cut a sunroof in my Grand Marquis. I used to have beat in my car, all that shit, bro. Like, this shit really nothing, bro. Like, this ain't my first rodeo, so a lot of folks be thinking, like, I'm tearing my car apart and shit like that. I don't know what I've been doing, but I've been working on cars, bro, since I was like 3 or 4, honestly, helping my pops out, pulling engines out the car, transmissions out the car. Like, I've been doing it. It just, I had to start tackling something, and my biggest tackle was the rebuild with the cam. You feel me? Y'all know I done put 5-something thousand miles on the car, bro, and it ain't got no issues other than the low oil pressure. And that right there, bro, I just don't even think it really low oil pressure, bro. I probably don't got a line going or something. All right, watch your TV. Close it up. But yeah, goddamn, I probably just got like a negative or something, loose a wire or something, bro. It's something simple, bro. 'Cause like I tell y'all, bro, I ain't got no noises. Like, my car might have lost a little performance, bro, but, bro, it ain't nothing really wrong with the car, bro, that make you think it got low oil pressure, high run and all that shit, bro. It like nothing, bro. Like, I don't know. And then I just really brought a OEM oil pressure sensor the other day and put it in. My number's showing a little bit higher. I haven't seen 12 and 13 like I was telling y'all. My number's like 19, 20. I done seen it go down to 16, but they go back up to 20 or 19, 17, somewhere right now. But I really ain't drove like that either. I just took it down the street and came back.